If you're that person that is looking for the complete ultimate glueless look and all you want to do when you get home is basically just to do this, you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to be showing you a complete detailed glueless look. Title of this video suggests, what we'll be doing today is going for a glueless look. So the hair that we'll be using today is this hair right here. It is an 8-inch pixie wig and it's actually from Celie Hair. I'll leave everything linked below down in the description box. So the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to pull back the front of the wig to get that flat look. Guys, forgive the goat that you're hearing in the background. As I mentioned before in a few videos, I country me live, so I'm here trying to work and the goat making a bag of noise, but don't mind him. So now that I have got the wig pulled back, what I'm going to do, because I wanted to get that flawless look, to make it look like it's actually coming from my scalp, what we're going to do is you can either go inside with your foundation or your powder. But if you do go in with your powder, you're going to need a form of holding spray to spray over the powder as well as the foundation, because you don't want it to mess up your cap or your hair. So I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal foundation and just put it all over the front of the wig. Then you just spray it with your got-to-be spray and take your blow dryer and cool hair and just Now before you put on the wig, what you want to do is to use these straps, the adjustable straps. To achieve that glueless look is your best friend. You're going to take the strap and you're going to pull it. You're going to bring it to the furthest hook that there is inside the cap, and you'll just hook it like this to the furthest, and you'll do the same thing for the next strap before you put it on, because when you put on this cap you don't want it to be going anywhere or worrying about it falling off, because why, if that do happen, that not gonna look good at all. And you would just put it on like I'm doing now. You can decide if you want to use the combs in the back, the comb in the back actually. This is what we're looking like already, and it's not even finished as yet. So what you want to do is you can either take your hot comb and pull back the hair, because you want to make sure that everything is as flat as possible, so when you lay that lace, if you don't have a hot comb, don't worry, you can actually use a mousse and pull it back. So I'm actually using both. Literally all you need to do to get that glueless look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a wrap strip and tie this down so that it can lay. And you would just basically let that set for about 30 minutes before you do anything else to it. Leave it to set for half an hour, and then I'll be back and show you how I finish this. This is what the hairline is looking like, and we're not even, well, we're halfway there, because basically all I need to do is either puff this out or wet it if I'm going for the wet look. So all I'm going to do is just define my parting a little bit more. Seeing the hairline, I'm still going to go in with some more of my foundation, some more of my powder to get the hairline looking even more like, you know, it's growing from my scalp. And this is what we're looking like. All I'm going to do now is to just, you know, fluff it out a little more. if you want to get that pull back water look, all you need to do is basically just add some water and some mousse and brush it out and you'll be good to go. But today I'm not going for that look today. I'm actually loving this and the way it turned out. This is not the way the hair actually came. I actually cut it down somewhere. I basically customize it to my liking. I'll leave the link down below in the description box of where you can get this wig. Shout out to Celie Hair. I mean, these knots. What I do like about Celie Hair is that majority of their knots are very fine because they use Swiss lace, and if you're going for that glueless look, Swiss lace is the way to go, or basically a transparent or HD lace, which is basically a sister of Swiss lace. But this is like just go away, like just good go away. But yeah, we're back and this is what we're looking like.